Welcome to Cop and Cake channel. Today will be only me filming and speaking. I just want to review how to go to Pattaya from my house. Let's see, it's hard or easy. This is the first step. My taxi driver. Actually, it's not the way to go to yuen station, but my daughter and friend, they don't have helmet, that's why. Now I am here. Just want to get a ticket, yuen station. I get a ticket already. I pay about 135 baht. This is my next step. Now I am in the Ubon Ratchathani airport. Look at my hair, so fun. Now I am going to the boat. Now I am in the Suvarnabhumi airport. Ooh. Let's go find how I can take the bus. I am in the bus ticket over there. Gate number 8 in front of food court. I am here now. Pattaya. Safety. Funny. Hard way. I just want to talk about my trip. I really love it. And if anybody have small suitcase and backpack, I think you should take bus from Suvarnabhumi to Pattaya. It's so much easy and the price is cheaper. If you like my video, please comment and subscribe. Have a good evening. Love you all.